Hey!
Hello!
Here we are in a beautiful sunny Tropea, Italia.
Calabria.
We're gonna spin the camera around so you can see our view from the back. But, have a look at this. Beautiful blue sky.
25 degrees in, what is that, April?
In April. And yeah, we're just gonna go for a walk around and see what we find. So yeah. Beautiful piazza. Seriously can't get over how good this weather is right now.
It's the best weather we've had, I reckon, in the
Yeah.
last, what, 4 months?
Yeah, so our past locations has been like London, Scotland, Ireland, Switzerland, Finland. So yeah, we've
Prague,
been dealt with
Budapest.
quite a bit of cold weather, so to get some nice sunny warm weather you can be in top and shorts is elite. Everyone's out and about. Beautiful weather. So yeah, right now we're heading to the beach. Suss it out. It's actually so crazy how many stairs there are everywhere. Really makes me think if you lived here and you're a local, going up and down these staircases daily, you would automatically qualify to become an Olympic athlete. There are a few people at the beach, swimming, enjoying the sun. Crazy, it's only spring and yeah, it's pretty packed. Here we got a seat that says I love Tropea. You know what? I reckon we love it too. Alright, moving along. Now it's walking along the footpath. Gonna go visit this beach over here, might even pop the drone up and see what it looks like to be a bird. But massive cliffs, buildings. Where we found the Andrew?
I think a little cave.
Ooh. How's this? No way. Private swimming spot. Look at that. Water's just so clear. Beautiful. Alright, let's launch this bad boy up. gonna head up to Santa Maria.
Just some hours pass by. I'm into the thought that it's silence in my heart. It's just my own self and some silence on the way. Fine, I'll be fine. Fine, I will be.
Here we are intermediate from Tropea and Santa Domenica, and inside this rock there are a cave. The name is Blue Cave because inside is very blue because all the light from sun jump in water and go inside. It's a beautiful place.